It's 12, right?
Yeah.
This is a medium that you're after.
Yep.
Thank you. So let's get going. Let's go.
Same. Oh. Oh god. Jump to. Should we ask Chad? What's your favorite type of pizza? I don't know.
What is your favorite pizza?
Italian sausage.
That's it? Cheese, Italian sauce?
Probably veggie actually. It's goes what we want. Veggie,
What's that?
then sausage.
Green peppers?
Huh?
Green peppers?
Sure.
What's it? Black olive?
And green olives. You like green olives?
Black olive.
That's what last the chat. What type of olives do they like? Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Birthday is tomorrow. Cash App $ ChocolateSugi. My birthday is tomorrow. Hey Toy Pops, welcome back to the show. Oh my goodness, I missed your Discord. But I want to come back and be in this next Discord. When do you have another Discord, Pups? Hey, Nay. What's up, McKay? Happy birthday tomorrow, honey. Thanks. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm so excited. I've been literally telling everybody about you. I'll refresh you right now. Thank you for refreshing your Discord. I will be able to join immediately. Okay, perfect. Yes, I am working. I work hard for my money, so hard for it, honey. I work hard for my money, so you better treat me right. All right. Thank you, Pops. And I was gonna tell you, I think I just need to change my mailing address. I think I just need to change my mailing address and I'll be able to get my YouTube check. So I'm gonna go to the post office. YouTube emailed me and told me to go to the post office, and then I'll be able to get my YouTube check. So okay, this is my YouTube friend that has the support that right there. I love your hustle too. Right there. If you look up her YouTube channel, she has just a million episodes. You just send over her creator yourself. Yeah. So I'm doing this part of work as I could possibly. Oh man, Puffs, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you. I love your hustle. You know, you're just touching my heart so much. It's really are. Yo, Natalie, 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 Natalie. Can you believe that I said that? Hmm? Can you believe that I said that? Why don't you? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Your Discord is refreshed. I'm gonna join your Discord right now. I love you so much, Pops. Thank you for joining our show. I love you so much. I'm gonna come chat with you in your Discord right now. What's your favorite topic?